It keeps me young. Para sarap lang ng feeling.
Speaking of this new feeling, do you, ito siguro related din sa ginagawa nyo ngayon, do you believe that the feeling of cringe and embarrassment is an underexplored emotion?
Underexplored in a sense na, okay, it exists eh. Talagang it exists. Kaya minsan sinasabi ko sa'yo, it's okay lang anak. Ba't ka hayaan mo sila. Bakit yung iba ganito? Kaya lang, minsan sabi ko, just a while ago, before this recording, this conversation actually, I was making my voice over sa isang reel. Alam mo kung ilang beses kong inulit? 10 times. Kasi sabi ko parang hindi, dapat perfect, dapat ganito. So yung cringe, it really exists. But then again, we have to embrace it. It's okay. It's okay. Madali sabihin na it's okay, kaya lang naisip ko, okay pala yun. Kasi pag imperfect ka pala, people can relate, can actually resonate to you. Kasi hindi mo kailangan maging perfect. Actually, kapag perfect nga, nakaka-intimidate. Meron akong mga actually nakakausap na hindi ko kayang ginagawa mo. Kasi nga naman, kung masyado kang perfect, parang hindi ka na relatable. So yan, cringe, embrace it, it's fine.
When we leave the earth, ang may iwan na lang daw sa atin is yung stories and memories of how we lived. Ano po yung legacy na gusto nyong maiwan sa life na to?
Gusto ko maalala niyo ako. I want people to remember me na siya yung dating broke. Siya yung dating daming problema. Pagkatapos, she was able to bounce back. Gusto ko maalala ninyo yun na ang tapang ng mami ko. That my mom, I will use the term is dahil gusto kong maalala niyo ako forever. My mom is unbreakable. My mom is unshakable. And my mom is unstoppable. Hanggang sa last day siguro ng buhay ko, yun ang gusto kong ipakita sa inyo. Kahit 95 years old ako na siguro, parang kahit tinatawag na ako ng Panginoon, nasabi ko, wag naman, hindi pa. Yung parang, wag pa. Parang gusto ko pa silang makasama. Parang yun, mami ko, grabe. Dapat, exit na, ayaw pa talaga. Ayaw pa magpa-break, unstoppable pa rin. Yun ang gusto ko maalala niyo ako. Tapos sabi ko nga nung minsan, may inattendan kami actually na funeral yun eh. Tapos, syempre, may mga speeches, may mga, yung mga ATV, pictures nung deceased person. Sabi ko, can you imagine me? Sa ganitong situation, pag i-play nyo yan, baka meron pa akong recorded na message sa inyo. At patatayuin ko pa kayong lahat at kailangan kayong sumayaw. Yun na para masaya. Diba? Maalala nyo ako na, hey, no one is supposed to cry because I lived a good life. So yeah, everybody stand up and dance. Parang yun ang gusto ko. Tawanan sila sa aking humor na yun. Na humor, na not so funny. Alright, okay. Follow my page, Vanji Rocks NL. And okay, I will take this opportunity na rin why I'm using Vanji, Rocks, and not my family name. Kasi now, secrets reveal. Yung RAX kasi, when I registered my business in the Netherlands, Rocks NL yan. Alam niyo, did you know why I came up with RAX? Kasi yung R, galing yun sa pangalan ni Rob. Yung A, galing kay Alexander at saka kay Arthur. Si Boris kasi din ay galing yan sa pangalan ng aking mga grandsons at saka kay Rob nga. Rob for R at saka si Boris ay Boris Ronaldos, kaya meron din siyang R. Tapos si Alexander Joseph, Si Arthur Isaac, so yun yung para sa A. At saka, syempre, yung X sa Exnor. Galing sa iyo at saka kay Elijah. Kaya siya, Rox. At saka, when I was working, ang boss ko kasi, each time na makaklose ako ng deal, nakalagay ka agad dun sa subject ng email, Van G. Rox. Siyempre, R-O-C-K-S yun. Van G. Rox. Parang happy-happy sila lagi sa akin. Kaya, sounds like Rox, Van G. Rox. So, yun. So, follow my page sa Facebook po, Van G. Rox NL, where I share snippets of what we do in the online world. At syempre, sa Zumba, yung aking Zumba Fitness with Vanji. At saka yung aking YouTube channel will soon have a dedicated playlist for my upcoming podcast wherein I will be sharing with you kung ano ang mga sentiments ng isang nanay, from the struggles, the joy, at saka how to be a real boss mom na kaya mo in this digital world. Alright? So, yan lang. Thank you for this chance na makapag-plug naman ako somehow. And of course, gusto ko na rin ulit sabihin na thank you siyempre sa aking parents, for inay and tatay, for the genes. For the genes, for the looks, and for this very strong personality. Sasabihin ko na. Ako na magsasabi because I believe in me. At saka siyempre to my sisters especially. Lagi silang nandyan, my sisters, my brothers. And syempre, salamat kay Rob. Thank you, sweetheart, for, believing in me. And although, sabi mo, I'm doing so many things at the same time, I'm still enjoying it. And you're letting me enjoy Zumba, content creation, and now the online business because, I'm building a family legacy for the children and the grandchildren. So it's my contribution. So thank you. And to my very best friend, si Rose. Partner, we still did it, right? We did our dance. We still have that rhythm. Thank you, partner, for being there. Ang ating friendship is older than Nico. 42 years na kasi tayong partners, best friends, tapos ngayon, nandito pa rin tayo. And hanggang 95, hanggat kaya pa natin, we will do that. And syempre si Leia, thank you. Dahil kung wala si Ate Leia, my God, paano ako mag-work? And talagang, she was there the whole time, nag-alaga sa inyo. So yun, thank you everyone. And thank you, Nix, for this opportunity. See you sa next episode.
Bye!